This video demonstrates how to buy shares of Vertex Inc. and uses the exact search phrase, how to buy shares of Vertex Inc. as our example. Vertex Inc. operates in the biotechnology sector and is listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker VERX. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an illustrative example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires uploading a valid ID, and you must add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker VERX to locate Vertex Inc. Check that the listing shows NASDAQ and matches the company name to find the correct stock. Open the asset page to see basic company information and a price chart for context. Confirm the company name and the NASDAQ ticker to ensure this is the right security before proceeding. Press the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be confirmed. After your purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For convenience, the eToro link to follow this demo is listed in the description below.